Best NFT strategy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you what is the best NFT strategy when it comes to creating your own collection. What are some different factors that you should keep in mind? And if you are going to do NFT flipping, then how you can do it and what should be your strategy to make the maximum profit and to actually create a successful collection. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will actually have to select your collection. Let's talk about creating your collection first, okay? How you can create a successful collection on any of the NFT marketplaces. Right now, I am on OpenSea.io. You can be on any platform that you have chosen, right? Go for that platform, go for a platform that you think will be good for you. We have OpenSea.io, we have Rarible, we have Foundation, we have Nifty Gateway, and there are many others. So you can select any platform. When it comes to selecting platform, there are two types of platform. It depends on the blockchain, right? So you can go for an Ethereum blockchain, or you can also go for Solana. Solana has its own marketplaces, for example, Digital Eyes and Solvc as well. You can check them out. Those are Solana NFTs. So most of the people actually go with Ethereum when it comes to minting their collection. That is really important, which blockchain you are going to select. Why? Because each blockchain has its own gas fee, has its own properties. So it depends on you which, blockchain you want to go for. So let's just say I am going with Ethereum. So you can simply go ahead and do your search on Ethereum that if this blockchain will be good for you, what is the gas fee, how you are going to mint on it, what will be your transaction fee every time. So these are the different factors that you will have to keep in mind. And keeping and selecting the right blockchain is really important when it comes to creating your own collection. Don't just go ahead and create a collection without any knowledge of gas fee or without any knowledge of Ethereum. So Ethereum is actually really famous blockchain. You can actually mint your NFTs on Ethereum. All of the famous platforms actually work on Ethereum. When it comes to the fee, each platform will have its own fee. When we talk about OpenSea, you will see fee last 3 hours is 1,196, and then we have 19.48 used rate. Then we have the fee for last 24 hours and the used for 24 hours right here. The percentage is 18.74. If I want to check the analytics, I will simply click on right here, this, and it will take me to different analytics, and I will be able to, add my balance. For example, what is my MetaMask balance, and I can go ahead and check it out. Right now, I have 0 ETH, right? So, but if I add more funds, I will be able to check out the gas fee, and you can see right here that this is like for 1 day and it is increasing. So this is how gas fee actually works. You can come to this platform right here, which is etherscan.io, and you can get information about the gas fee. So it's really important while minting your collection that you check out the gas fee. The next thing is going to be creating your own collection and selecting the niche. Niche is really important when it comes to NFTs. What is niche, or what is a category? For example, art, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility, and virtual worlds. So what is going to happen is when you will be creating your NFTs, keep in mind that you select the right niche. Don't go over the board and don't just select any niche that is not trending. Well, we know art NFTs do pretty well when it comes to NFTs. We know that collectibles do good. Then, as we speak of photography, it does well. And trading cards or utility, well, they do pretty good. But I would not say that these are the trending hot niches to go for, or categories. Like, for example, sports is amazing, it's good. But when we talk about the top collections, we know these collections with art, with different graphic designing arts, right? 3D models. So you can go for any of the collection for make sure your collection stands out and represents something great. Don't go for just a random thing. For example, the collections that have something behind them, have a motto, they do pretty good. Like, for example, World of Women. It is a first, female-led NFT, and it is increasing. Then we have this Clonex, Takashi Murakami. It's really different. The concept is really different than others. It is unique. Then we have CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks was the first one. So it is really important when it comes to creating your own collection, and when it comes to creating a successful collection, I would say you would notice, and it is a fact, any NFT collection that is the first in its category or that is unique in its category. For example, when we talk about CryptoPunks, CryptoPunks was the first one, the Pixel 10,000 plus NFT coding collection, right? So it has that hype in it. When we talk about Bored Apes, so there are many ape NFTs right now, but Bored Ape has its own significance. When we talk about curated art, there are few of the collections that have their own significance. And when it comes to creating an NFT collection, make sure you have something different than others. So what will happen is your NFT collection will be the first in that category or in that niche, in that topic. So it becomes really, really popular, and nobody can match your status then, because if you have that type of collection. So keep in mind, creating a collection that is different than others and creating a collection which is unique. After that, when we are buying NFTs, let's just say, what are the strategies for buying NFTs or flipping NFT? Well, on OpenSea, you will have to look for NFTs that are new. Whenever you are buying NFTs or investing or looking to buy NFT, we know we always go for the new ones. Well, that's the case because the new NFTs are kind of underrated. They are not that famous right now, and the floor price will not be that much. For example, this collection right here. How do I know this is a new collection? Well, it had a green dot above it on OpenSea, and that's how it works, and how you can actually find out that these are the different new collections. So this is a pretty brand new collection, and the floor price is 0.9. It is new, that is why. But as the time will go by and this collection will become more and more famous, you will actually notice that the floor price will increase, right? And it will become more expensive. And if you have one of these, you have bought this for 0.9 ETH, right? You have bought it for 0.9 Ethereum. You can actually sell it for 2 Ethereum or 1 Ethereum later, because the floor price will be increased. So that is how you actually kind of buy NFTs. Make sure to buy NFTs when the collection is new. And second thing, buy NFTs from a collection that has the potential and that collection is doing good. The famous ones. If you have the money, if you want to invest, if you're looking to buy NFTs for expensive, you have the budget, then go ahead and buy maybe a CryptoPunk, or maybe go ahead and buy a Bored Ape, because these are the collections that are there, that have marked themselves in the marketplace, in NFT marketplace, and they are famous. So if you get hands on one of these, even now, when their floor price is 83, like for Bored Ape, it's 83. So even now, if you get one for 70 ETH, which is like too much, to be honest, but if you do have the money to invest, then you can go ahead and buy it, right? So go for one of the collection that is actually famous and that has the potential to go up in the future as well. And these are the collections that we know, that are trusted and that have the audience. So you will be able to kind of flip them later for higher prices, and you will be able to earn the maximum profit. When we talk about flipping simply means, I buy this NFT for 88 ETH and then later I sell it for 100. That will be amazing. Or even I sell it for 89 ETH. We know that ETH right now is $3,000 at the time of making this video. So I will be getting the profit of $3,000, or even if I keep it, I can make up to profit of $10,000 or $8,000. So that is how flipping works, and that is how you can actually flip NFTs. You can actually go to different tools as well. You can check out rarity.tools in order to check the rarity of any NFT. Once you know the rarity, you know that the collection is doing well. You can simply go ahead and buy it. And also, as I said, that go for a new collection. Keep in mind that you join their Discord. That is really important. Join the Discord for the collection you are tracking or you want to buy. So when it will drop, it will launch, you will be the first one to know and you will be updated in the Discord group. And also, when you are creating your collection, create a Discord group and promote your NFTs. It's really important to promote them. Once your NFT will be promoted and it will have the audience, people will be waiting for it, then you will be able to, sell them really quickly, and then you will be able to earn a lot of money. Of course, when it comes to NFTs, we can make thousands of dollars. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know some of the factors that you should keep in mind while creating your collection or buying NFTs. What is the strategy and how you can actually make the most out of NFTs. So yeah, guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.